What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and that's probably because you haven't hit the bell. Thank you again for all your support. We're so proud of the amazing community that we've built.
So we're just taking a look at Trias here, and as we can see, it looks as though it is actually, starting to get that pickup off these lows that we've been seeing recently. It's looking very strong actually. If we just throw this fib retracing on here, we can see obviously in May we had a really nice all-time high of around $31-ish. And it looks as though we have actually had a massive correction down to around $2.50. This is a crazy, what is this, 90%? Let me just measure this out. This is like a 92% correction in May, which is absolutely crazy. Until we hit that low in July. And then obviously we did start to get that pickup. Things looking, decently bullish. We get that reversal after being stuck under that bit of a resistance for a long time. We had a resistance like this, didn't we? That was the first breakout. Probably looking, there was one resistance like this, another like this, and then obviously we had a little bit of resistance like this. But mostly we think this was the resistance. It come down, it found support somewhat in this area here on these previous swing highs. Got that bounce back into this area of structure here. Obviously the reversal well underway then. And then once the market started to move up, got that nice little move for Trias down from around $4 all the way up to around $8. Since then, obviously you can see our Fibonacci levels being respected to a T. We actually come up here, test resistance, broke through, but obviously the bearishness going into September, we rolled over here, come back down. We come up again to try and reclaim that as and let that previous resistance as support, but obviously corrected again in the market because of that September FUD, all the bearishness that we saw. And you can see here support, resistance, support all the way through September, and then as soon as October has come, we have started to wake up again, reclaiming our EMAs, getting back above this 050 on our Fibonacci retracement and extension. Basically looking really good, currently around $9.60. And we want to see ourselves really clearing this area here. This resistance that's quite clear at around $10 to $11. I think if that can be done, doing something like this, heading up to the 618 at around $12.50. Come back down, retest this area, we can start to see Trias get underway, because obviously the fundamentals of this project, absolutely incredible. A really amazing project. Super undervalued in our opinion. You should definitely go and check it out, do your own research. But this could potentially be one of the biggest cryptos in our opinion, just because the technology is so good, the team is so strong, a massive amount of science and research going into its development. And this chart is forming up extremely bullishly. With the market cap that it has, it could be looking at some very nice price targets pretty soon. So over the past few days, looking really bullish. Obviously, it looked as though we had a bit of a resistance like this. Look at something like this, not really a descending wedge, but kind of a little channel that we were trading down inside of like this. Keep going down. But eventually with that double bottom that we did see on the Fibonacci level, we got the bounce to the upside, and basically things looking really good for continuation. So we'll do short-term price predictions then, just to wrap things up. As we can see here, if we do roll over to the 050, we'll be looking at, that decent bit of support there is at 890. And if we come back inside this level, there's quite a lot of swing low supports here. We've got this $8 level of support as well. Quite a clear level of support if we roll over for that next leg up. And if we do have a big rollover in the market, obviously we've got that 038. We could come back down, retweak those lows again before trying again for the upside. But overall, looking bullish like we're breaking out right now. And our next target would be this 618 at around $12-ish. And then obviously we take a look at what we're looking at here. We want to be getting back up to the all-time high at least at around $132. And then we do have some really crazy overextensions here. The 127 at around $62, the 141 at around $95, the 161 at around $150, and then that massive 227 extension at around $800, which would be a crazy 100x. And we do think, considering the fundamentals of this project, if it does start to get picked up and getting a good head of steam, we do think $100, $200, not unlikely at all, maybe even beyond, depending on how much of a pump that it does get. So
that's it guys, we'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos that we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.